Active kind of tourism at the end. You have maybe a mountain bike or you're planning to rent some sort of transportation, definitely visit the island. You won't regret it at the end. And now we're currently located within close proximity to the village of Klis, hence the name Klis Fortress at the end. The village is literally laying on this side, and at the very background there is this outline of the island called Vis, and from this angle you unfortunately in the total blueprint actually of this section, and you may think the second section should be the largest, but that's actually not the case. It's actually the longest but not the largest in terms of the area size. And all the villages around, plus the city of Split itself. Later on we're going to cross in the second section, which is in a couple of minutes. Times, approximately 12th, 15th century, when Dalmatia region specifically did not belong to any major power in Europe. This actually land was independent, and Croatians were in charge.
Klis Fortress has a rich history of over 2 millennia. Originally used by the local ancient Illyrians, it later served as a key defensive post in defending the Dalmatian region from invasions. Romans, Byzantines, Venetians, Ottomans, they all tried to invade Dalmatia at some point and ruled for a while. In recent years, Klis Fortress gained international fame as a filming location for the TV show Game of Thrones. It was used to depict the city of Meereen, one of the fictional locations in the show. Have you watched the show?
Settlers on the port of Split and also the neighboring islands were the Greeks, not the Romans, not the Croatians, because it was the main epicenter, trading route hubs here in Adriatic Sea, and it was very well.
We didn't really do an introduction to this section of the video, but we came here to Klis to enjoy a walking tour at the fortress at sunset. So it's not too hot, and oh my gosh, a little
micro ladybird
bug. Yeah, anyways, so we can see the sunset from here, and we can enjoy the tour of the fortress that has so much history in it, and you know, it's been used also as a location for Game of Thrones from, I think, the fourth season, but I haven't watched it. I watched only one season of it, so. But yeah, very beautiful. Apparently this is a toilet. Well, this was a toilet. It's not in use anymore. I thought I lost James, and in fact he's somewhere there. And I'm going this way instead. Bye, James. Whoa, the sunset colors are so beautiful.